Well, congratulations guys, you completed your first course, Introduction to Linux OS. I'm Kevin Downs, I've been the one that's teaching these courses. I'm happy to have you guys along with us, and I hope you learned a lot by doing these courses. Let's go ahead and check out our final PowerPoint here. So these have been courses by codingbootcamps.com. Be sure to follow us on social media, and go ahead and go to our website, coding-bootcamps.com, for more courses. So this concludes Introduction to Linux OS. In this course, we learn Introduction to Unix, basic user commands such as move, copy, ls, cd, and others, text editing with vi and vim, UNIX processes, the file system and how it works, introduction to shells such as Z shell and fish shell, and the default bash shell, multitasking and batch processing, file processing utilities, backup files such as CPIO, tar, gzip, and dd, as well as some desktop environments such as KDE, GNOME, and Ubuntu and Debian. So again, congratulations, you successfully finished this class. I hope you guys learned a lot. I hope you had fun. I hope you were able to learn a lot from me. I definitely encourage you to keep going. Search the web for any resources you can find. Continue to do hands-on projects. And more simply, you can follow up the classes that you've just recently finished with these ones here. The first one being Learn PHP Programming. The second, Intro to Linux Bash Scripting, which is another class that I'll be teaching. Third, Linux Management for System Admins, which again is going to be a class I'll be teaching. And Intro to HTML and CSS. Again, guys, thanks for joining me. Be sure to follow us on our social media sites. Be sure to go to our bootcamp website, coding-bootcamps.com, and I look forward to seeing you in our other courses. See you guys.